Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series, a follow-up on that Marx 898. I'm shooting this with a track camera, as you can tell. Anyway, it was missing the number board, just had a big gaping hole. So I just repaired it, pulled it apart, put a piece of tape over the hole, and filled the hole with 5-minute epoxy. Now I've got the lens out just so you can see the number board. And as you see, that actually doesn't look bad at all. It looks like a number board, as you can tell. So anyway, about 20 minutes to do that. Put a piece of tape over the inside of it, mix some 5-minute epoxy, filled the hole with it, let it set for about 20 minutes, and this is the result. So I'm going to run it with the light on for a couple of minutes. That'll help that epoxy to cure. I'll pop the lens back in it, and I have a number board in the 898. And it actually comes out the same color as the lens itself. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As you see, it works. It's beats having that big open hole, that's for sure. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. So 5-minute epoxy. Put a piece of tape on the inside of the shell, fill that hole, let it set, pull the tape off. This is the result. It's basically an acrylic resin window. The nice thing about it is it's no longer an open hole. There's actually a number board in there. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.